Understanding scratch in billiards, a simple guide. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic for all our English language learners who are also fans of billiards or pool. We'll explore the meaning of the term scratch in the context of billiards. Understanding this term is not only crucial for playing the game but also enriches your English vocabulary. So, let's get started and decode this term together. In billiards, a scratch occurs when the cue ball is pocketed or knocked off the table during a player's turn. This is considered a foul and usually results in a penalty. The specifics of the penalty can vary depending on the rules of the game being played, but commonly, it gives the advantage to the opposing player. The term scratch is widely used in various forms of cue sports, including pool, snooker, and carom billiards. When a player commits a scratch, the consequences can significantly impact the game's outcome. In most pool games, the penalty allows the next player to place the cue ball anywhere on the table, often referred to as ball in hand. This gives the player a significant advantage as they can set up their next shot without any restrictions. It's crucial for players to avoid scratches to maintain control over the game. Avoiding scratches is essential for any billiard player wanting to improve their game. Here are a few tips. Be mindful of the cue ball's path. Always consider where the cue ball will travel after hitting your target. Practice control shots. Learning to control the speed and direction of the cue ball can help prevent accidental scratches. Use angles to your advantage. Try to avoid shooting the cue ball straight towards pockets unless you're sure it won't fall in. Understanding the term scratch in billiards is crucial for anyone looking to master the game or just enjoy it casually. It's a common part of the sport's jargon, and knowing its meaning not only helps you play better but also deepens your understanding of English used in specific contexts. We hope this video has shed some light on the subject and made your learning journey a bit more fun. Keep practicing, and see you in the next video.